Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Sonic got his hands on an Iron Man suit? Well, wonder no more, because today we're going to draw and color this super cool Sonic Iron Man fusion. We're going to start shaping the Iron Man helmet. Think about the iconic mask shape, with the pointed ears at the top. Draw the distinct eye slots of Iron Man's mask, and then the mouthpiece area. Even though it's Sonic, he's wearing the Iron Man gear. Now, let's add Sonic's signature quills peeking out from behind the helmet. They should be pointy and energetic. Take your time here. If something doesn't look right, gently erase and try again. Let's refine the torso. Draw the chest plate, making sure to include the circular arc reactor in the center. Now, build up the shoulder pads. They're quite prominent. Then, draw the armored segments for his upper arms, forearms, and gloved hands. Make sure the armor looks solid and layered. Moving to the legs, define the armored thighs, knees, shins, and those big, powerful armored boots. Sonic's speed needs good support. This is where our drawing really comes to life. Look at your reference image and start adding all those cool panel lines, vents, and smaller details on the armor. Add the lines on the helmet, the details on the gauntlets, and the segmented lines on the legs. You can even make the outer lines a little thicker to make Sonic Iron Man pop more. Now for the most exciting part for many of us, adding base colors. Our main colors for Iron Man are red and gold. So, let's start with red. Carefully color in all the main red sections of the armor. Try to color in one direction for a smoother look. Next, grab your gold or yellow pencil. We'll fill in the faceplate, the chest emblem, and various gold sections on the arms and legs. Now for Sonic's blue. Color his quills with a bright blue. Color his snout/mouth area and the ERS with a light peach or skin tone. Highlight the reactor with light blue for glowing effect. Don't forget the white for the arc reactor, and a little silver or light gray for some of the boot details. And use black for the eye outlines and any inner armor joints that are dark. Fill in his eyes with green and pupils and nose with black. Alright, our Sonic Iron Man is looking vibrant. But to make him truly pop, we need to add. To make our drawing look 3D, we need to add shadows and highlights. Imagine the light source is coming from, say, the top left. This means shadows will be on the opposite side. For the red sections, take a darker red pencil, or just press a little harder with your regular red, and add shadows under the arms, beneath the chest plate, and in the crevices of the armor. Do the same for the gold/yellow areas. Use a slightly darker gold or even a light brown to add depth. And for blue, use a darker blue for the shaded areas of Sonic's quills. Now for highlights. Use a white pencil, or just leave areas uncolored, where the light would hit the shiny armor most directly. And there you have it. Our awesome Sonic as Iron Man drawing is complete. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below to show me your amazing drawings or suggest what we should draw next. Happy drawing, everyone! Bye!